sign for a contraflow bus lane. Contraflow bus lanes were designed to allow buses to keep on moving when other traffic was stuck in traffic jams. You're most likely to see contraflow bus lanes on one-way streets. Now, contra means against. So contraflow means against the flow. So the traffic is going this way and the buses are coming this way against the flow. Now, you'll notice that this sign has arrows on it. It's got a picture of a bus and it's got arrows on it. That tells you it's a contraflow bus lane. Now, this sign has got a bus on it, but no arrows. So this is telling you it's a with flow bus lane. The buses are going in the same direction as the other traffic. If you want to see more video tutorials to help you pass your theory test, then sign up for Theory Test course.